So it's about 9 minutes until the problem opens up. I want to take just a minute before we go to show you something that I worked on last night that should make it a little bit faster for me to get started. So I made this getinput script, and I'll just show you what that involves. So I use NixOS or Nix Package Manager. This isn't NixOS, this is running on Arch, but I've created a script which goes and uses a session token that I save here in .session token. I won't show it to you, obviously, because that's my session token for Advent of Code. And then it goes in and it actually grabs the output file, or sorry, my input file for the year and day. It gets the year from the path. So if I do this from 2020, get input 1 will go curl my input. In this case, it just put it over top o1.text. And as you can see, no modifications to o1.text. So it's the correct input. So I'm going to use that today for getting the input for problem 2. I don't want to DDoS the server, so I'm not going to run this right now. They obviously, if you were on the stream last night, you saw it was kind of a little bit of a debacle with that getting up and running. All right, we're getting close. 20 more seconds. Okay, it's open. So password database corrupted some of the passwords, won't be allowed. Passwords, corporate policies that the password was set when that password was set. Password policy and then the password. So 13A, 13B, 29C, okay? The password policy indicates the lowest and highest number of times a given number must appear for the password to be valid. So 1 to 3 times, okay, so 2 to 9, that's gonna fail, I guess. No, that'll be fine. Oh, I see. 1 to 3 A's. And then this is 1 to 3 B's. 2 to 9 C's. 2 passwords are valid. The middle password is not. It contains no instances of B. Oh, okay, so I got it. So let's get the input and let's start coding. So we have 2 numbers. Really, we have 3 tokens. 1, 2, 3. So bounds letter let's see. Line dot split. So that's space separated, and then we have bounds low upper on bounds.split by the dash, and then letter equals just the first character should be fine, and then password is just the password. So then let's add this to the passwords. Just do a tuple, lower, upper, letter, password, part 1 for pin, character, password, and passwords. What's the Python count function? p.count. Yeah, just .count. C if, okay, so what do we need to do? How many passwords are valid? If lower less than or equal to, p.count less than or equal to u, num valid plus equals 1, and then num valid. $414 seems reasonable. Oh, yeah, that should be fine. Yay, okay, so 609, obviously, you know, not leaderboard, but not too bad. Okay, part 2. Two positions in the password. 1 means the first character and 2 means the second character, and so on. No index 0. Exactly one of these positions must contain the given letter. So between 1 to 3, invalid. Okay, so it's just an indexing problem at this point. So num valid equals 0, and then really it's the same code. We just have to do p at l equals c or p at u equals c. If that's the case, then we increment num valid. And we have to do -1 because it's not one index. It is one index, sorry. So 707. That doesn't make any sense that it would be more. Okay, let's try this again. So if it's at 1, and it's the character, so if position 0 is a character, oh, exactly 1. So let's use XOR. There we go. That's not too bad. 554 on the leaderboard. That's definitely respectable. Obviously, you know, screw all these people up at the top. You know, they're spending way too much time on this. But 500th is not bad at all. Let's see how I. Okay, so I'm ahead on. Oh man, a friend of mine has beaten me in both of these. That is unfortunate. Oh well. I think just reading a little bit harder should help next time. Missing this was kind of unfortunate. So let's see. Is there anything that I can clean up about this? Not really that I can see. I think these are pretty clean. Okay. I think that's about it. I'll probably share this on Twitter eventually. And yeah, I'm going for consistency. I want to stream every day. This solve, and like I said, I don't really care about the leaderboard a ton. I do want to beat my friends, but you know, that's not too high stakes. I really just want to complete everything. I haven't actually ever done that before, so that's the goal. Complete all 25. And so far, we're 2 for 2, or I guess 4 for 4, however you want to count it. And we'll call it a day here. Thank you for watching the stream or watching the video on demand later on. And if you liked it, you should come over to Twitch and follow me.